Hi, Cindy here from Mind Garage. I thought I'd have a chat to you so that I could let you know the whys behind Mind Garage and what we're here for. Wow, in the last 3 weeks, this universe has hit us with a sledgehammer like I have never seen before. There is so much change going on, day by day, hour by hour there for a while. It's been ridiculous. And my life isn't the only one affected. I don't know anyone that hasn't been touched by this. And it's not just one aspect of our lives, it's several aspects. If I use my life just as an example, my business has gone from being super successful to shut, zero. I've said goodbye to a world-class team that I consider my family. Because of this isolation, my relationships, and I'm a hugger, essentially have come down to online or telephone calls. Over the last few weeks, on top of that, family have moved around. My mum's gone into permanent care. My partner's moved into my home with her 6.5-year-old. They're beautiful people. But I love my quiet, and I'm incredibly anal and a control freak. So what used to be really ordered and organised, there's just shit everywhere. Now, I've got a beautiful large Labrador, and have a look who else has come on the scene. As I'm trying to film, here's Max. He's new to our family. He came in about 2 weeks ago. I don't know about you guys who have lived with cats before. I haven't. I'm not used to waking up with his face on the pillow looking at me. Or when you're trying to get those last few hours sleep done or minutes done, he pats you on the head. Someone's taken the drawer and tipped it completely upside down, and we're left sort of looking at each other going, what the hell do I do now? Now, I have come through incredible change in the last few weeks, and when I lie in bed at night and in the morning, I actually feel okay. I feel pretty calm. In fact, the belief set and the mindset and the skills I've learned after the last 35 years of reading, studying, learning, educating myself about my mind and my mindset have been tested and tried particularly hard over these last few weeks, and they've come up trumps. And I've been thinking about that a lot. How come I feel so good when I should be sitting in the corner of the room in a fetal position, basically shedding tons of tears? And don't get me wrong, I've done that. I've grieved various losses over the last few weeks. It's not about that. It's about the calmness I feel and the excitement for the opportunity that is ahead. Now, I think everything that I have learnt is a skill. And because it's a skill, it means that it's something that other people can learn. I'm not different, I'm not special, I'm not super unique. I'm just Cindy. But if I can learn it and I can apply it in my life to be super successful, to be peaceful, to have what I want in my life, then this is the reason for Mind Garage. It's to present to you all of those thousands of little tips and tricks, those key strategies, those ancient wisdoms coupled with contemporary innovation and how these things have been reworked. It's those hundreds of thousands of books that I've read compiled and presented to you by someone who's been an educator for 20 years. I know how to get stuff out there because of that, and I'm just doing it in an online platform now. And when we're released from this bloody COVID-19 situation, I'll put out there some workshops and some live events so that we can get together and we can be in a better place. An incredible opportunity exists at the moment, and I hope that through using some of the Mind Garage education, that you can come out of this and say that although this was a challenging year, It was the kick up the butt you needed to make the changes in your life to make it absolutely outstanding. I'll leave you with that. Check us out, mindgarage.com.au. Check out the Insta and the feedbook posts and hit the subscribe if you want to. And share it around. There's lots of good stuff that we can all learn together. I look forward to seeing you online soon. Bye.